Welcome sa zip9.com. This video ay itutuloy natin ang ating series on linear inequalities. This is the third video in the series. And kung pinapanood niyo yung ating, kung sinusunod niyo yung ating series na to, ang pinag-usapan natin sa first two videos ay yung inequalities ng dalawang numbers, no? So in this video, ang gagawin natin is we will try to look at inequalities containing variables, no? So for example, meron tayong x is less than 3, no? Now, may mga values, no? Of course, x will can take different values. May mga value na that will make the inequality true, no? At may mga values then that will make the inequality false, no? So for example, if I take x equals 1.5, then this is true. If 0, this is true. If 10, this is false, no? Because 10 is not less than 3. No? If negative 5 is also true. So negative 5 is less than 3. No? Now, yung mga values, yung mga set set of numbers, no? Set of all numbers that makes this inequality true is called the solution set to this inequality. So, is solution set. That is an important term in mathematics. So, dapat tandaan nyo yan. No? So, anyway, isulat natin para mas madaling nyo matandaan. No? So, if an inequality involves a variable, if an inequality involves a variable, for example, x, and the set of all numbers that can replace x, the set of all numbers that can replace x, that makes the inequality true, is called, this is y, pagkamalan yung x, the inequality true is called the solution set, no? The solution set to the inequality. Okay, so tandaan nyo yung ano na yan, yung term na yan. Okay, so now yung solution set, pwede natin siya i-represent as inequality, katulad nito, less than, greater than. At pwede rin natin siya i-represent graphically, no? So, ano ba yung mga numbers na less than 3, no? So, pag nasa number line tayo, no? Pag number line tayo, this is 0 for example. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Sa previous videos natin, sinabi natin that if A is less than B, then A is to the left of B on the number line. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng nasa left ng 3 dito ay less than 3. No? So, if this is 3, lahat ng nandito ay less than 3. Tama? And since hindi included ng 3, ang ginagamit natin na notation is lalagyan lang natin yan ng bilog. No? Lalagyan na natin ng bilog na walang kulay, no? Hindi siya solid. And then, we graph by lalagyan natin ng linya dun sa lahat ng mga kasama, no? Na numbers. So, this is the solution set, no? Tinatawag natin. Yan yung graph mismo ng x is less than 3. No? Now, meron pa tayong isang notation na ginagamit maliban dito or sa set notation. Minsan sa set notation, tatlo yan sila, set notation, itong graph, tsaka meron din tayong, although hindi to set, no? Pag ginawa natin itong set notation, magkakaroon tayo ng curly brackets nun, x such that x is less than 3. Actually, yan yung set notation natin. Pangalawa, ito yung graph niya. And pangatlo is yung tinatawag natin na interval notation. So, sa interval notation, titignan niya yung interval from left to right. So, sa kaliwa, pinakakaliwa dyan, if the graph goes to the left, yung pinakakaliwa niya is negative infinity at ang pinakakanan niya ay positive infinity. At ang basa natin o ang pagsulat natin ng interval is from left to right. So ito from negative infinity up to 3. So this is negative infinity up to 3, no? Now parenthesis, yung negative infinity, ang kasama niya palagi ay parenthesis. Now posible na ang kasama ng number, no, yung katabi niya ay hindi parenthesis. Yun ay square bracket. Nangyayari ito pag solid yung nandito, no, or pag x is less than or equal. Pag may less than or equal yan, x is less than or equal 3, magiging solid to, tapos magiging square bracket ito, no? But anyway, we will have an example. Ang susunod natin na example gagamit niyan. But yung negative infinity tsaka positive infinity, ang palaging kasama niyan ay parenthesis. So let's have the second example. We have x such that x is greater than or equal to negative 1, for example. By the way, although gumagamit tayo ng set notation, most of the time, ang nakikita lang natin sa mga books is ito lang, no? So sa exercises, pwede naman ito, no? Acceptable naman siya. And usually, ito rin naman ginagamit natin. Although, if you want it to be more formal, no? Ito siya. And I think we have already learned this. Kung hindi nyo pa napag-aralan, check nyo yung series natin on sets. At in-introduce ko itong notation na to, no? So, paano natin ito ginagraph? Ganun din, gagawa tayo ng number line. Okay, we have a number line here. We have, this is negative 1. No? So, pwede tayo lagay natin yung 0 dito. Ito yung 1. This is negative 1. Negative 2. Oh, sorry, greater than pala. So, yung negative 1 natin dapat dito banda. Negative 1. This is negative 2. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3. No? So, may equal siya. Ibig sabihin kasama yung negative 1. So, using this notation, gagawin natin is, lalagyan natin ng bilog, this time solid. Dito empty, di ba? Pag hindi siya kasama, pag less than lang. Pero pag may equal siya, kasama siya. And all the numbers greater than negative 1. So, negative 1, papunta dito. So, we can use again the line tool here and graph. So, yan yung graph niya. Ang kulay green. And okay. And in interval notation, again from left to right yung basa. So, negative 1 ang nasa kaliwa natin. Kasama siya. So, this is square bracket. Tapos, up to positive infinity. Parenthesis, palaging parenthesis yung katabi ng infinity at saka negative infinity. Pag kasama, square bracket. Pag hindi kasama, parenthesis. No? Now, there is another notation na ginagamit ng ibang libro. Actually, madali yung tandaan yung ginagamit ng ibang libro kasi gumagamit sila nito, yung parenthesis din tsaka square bracket. Nilalagay mismo nila sa number line. For example, ito. This is a bracket. So, this is not included. So, ginagawa nila ang bracket. So, nilalagay nila pa ganyan, parang curve. So, wala tong bilog, no? Wala tong bilog, so diretso lang yan pag ganyan. And yung ito naman, ginagamit din nila to. So, may pagganon sila, tapos may pagganon. Okay. So, although na yung gagamitin natin itong bilog, tsaka yung solid na circle, tsaka yung circle na may solid color, tapos yung circle na walang solid color. No? Okay, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Siguro magkaroon tayo ng exercise sa susunod na video para at least mas strengthen yung inyong alam dito sa interval notation, tsaka sa graphs. No? Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.